Hey, this is Tyron here with We Auto Detailing, service in Atlanta and Metro Atlanta area. And today we're going to talk about how to get better at car detailing. So let's get into it. So for my opinion, I've been detailing for about maybe 15 years now, just about. And that's full time, 6 years, 5 years, and part time, the rest of the years. And in my experience, when it comes to getting better with detailing, it just comes from doing more cars and getting more cars done. The more experience you get, the more situations that you run into, uh, the more you'll find yourself learning different little things online. Because you can Google it or YouTube how to do something, but until you actually do it, is when you really actually learn it. Another thing is, over the years, I had to do different type of situation more than once, and the situation may be similar, but it's still a little different. And that's from situations where sealant from roofers would get on the customers' cars, and other things from different type of construction situations. That different type of chemical requires different type of way of getting it off. So that's just one scenario. There are so many ways that you can search on how to do certain things on detailing, but the best teacher is experience. In addition to that, I would say that you can watch some of the basic stuff just to get familiarized with the standards of detailing. So you may see some detailers on YouTube or even my channel. You can go through and see my process, and you may catch one thing, but then you may watch another detailer, and you may catch something else that they do, something else that they do that may be a little bit different, but we both get the same result. So by watching different detailers, you just get an idea of all the different ways you can go about doing something, and then you can find which way works best for you and which way you feel that you can get the best result for the thing that you're trying to do or get better at. In addition to that, when it comes to getting better at car detailing, I would say another thing you can do, which was done with me, which was you can contact another detailer and you can have them take you out with them for a day to learn how to detail and train you on different things on how you manage and operate your detailing business. So someone paid me to actually do that for them, and I showed them everything and everything on how my business operate. We worked that day, and we had a huge detail that day as well. So he got a full detail experience, and he also got an hour and a half or hour sit down session just going over the business part of my business, and he paid me for that. So you can, if you want to know how to get better, you can do that as well. So you can YouTube it and just learn as you go. You can pay someone like me to come out and you can come out and watch me detail. And then the last thing I would say is probably working for another detailing company as an employer. So by doing that, you're able to get experience and get paid for it. So if you don't have the customers and you have a job and you just want to learn over time, that's a good way to really get your foot in the door, learn some stuff, learn how to operate a business by watching your owner or the boss of the company, and you'll get better and you'll learn a lot of things by working for another detailing company, man. So I listed a couple of things on how to get better at car detailing. Today's a Sunday, man, so I'm not in my work uniform and I'm not coming from a job or anything. I'm just out. So if you all like this video, make sure I hit the comment and like and subscribe button. Comment if you all have any questions in regards to some of the information I gave y'all, man. Take care.